Oh, you know, turning and burning.
What the heck is this? Well, it looks like we got a visitor. Holy smokes. It's still driving?
Hey, you ain't busy?
I guess not anymore. What's up, dude?
Oh, man, I got a whole bunch of projects going on, man. Hey, by the way, you want to go truck meet tonight? Me and Gypsy are going.
Gypsy?
Yeah.
Shoot, yeah. You want to go, Gypsy? What's going on? Say hi.
She's a little camera shy like me.
Shoot, yeah, I'll go.
Yeah, man, I got a whole bunch of parts. You ready to install?
I guess. Let's go. Let's see what you got.
All right.
Oh, man. So you done some work already?
Oh, a little here, a little here. A little here, a little there. A little bit of, how would you say it? I'd call it environmental tuning.
Can we take a peek?
Sure, just don't tell nobody.
Oh, that's all right. You just painted that hose. That's cool.
Yeah, well, that's it. Just paint work. But, you know, trying to extend the life of my new work truck. So next thing we're going to do is a cold air intake and a little bit of exhaust work. Nothing major. You know, we're going to stay compliant as much as we can.
Well, shoot, let's show them how we're going to put a cold air intake on this. How's that sound?
Sure, sounds good.
What year truck is this again?
That's a 2012 550 Super Duty 6.7 liter. My favorite.
All right, let's get into this video. Show them how we're going to take this off, right?
Yes, sir.
And put a whole new system in there.
Oh, it's going to be nice. It's going to sound better, too.
Let's get rolling.
Awesome.
Well, since I was surprised and I had a guest show up, welcome to Turnin and Burnin, your #1 channel, all things blue collar. We're going to let Mike take over and show us how he's going to do this cold air intake. What are you doing right now?
Well, hold on now. Disclaimer, this is not exactly a how-to channel, but we're going to show you how to do it the Mike way.
So not the right way?
I don't know about the right way. The right way. But we'll do the best we can to show you what's going on here. But first things first, whenever you do some kind of work on an engine, you definitely want to disconnect the batteries. You know, you don't want to short nothing out. You don't want nothing arcing off each other because you just start yourself with a whole bunch of other problems. Hey, what are you doing?
Are you missing something?
Yeah, bracket. I sent it out to go get painted. All right, it's getting powder coated.
All right, man. No off-roading for you.
It's a work in progress, man.
All right, Mike. Before we get started, you want to show everybody what you got? What brand?
Well, this is the S&B cold air intake, and for my model of truck, which is 12 6.7 liter, the part number is 755104. But go check out your local diesel shop. Make sure you get the right one for your truck because they're all different. But for what I'm doing, this is what they recommended the best. So the order I like to go in on something like this is I like to get the sensors out of the way first because that's the last thing I want to do is have to go to the dealership and pick up another one and just add more time to a project. You know what? That's happened to me a couple times where a 5-minute project turned into a 7-hour ordeal. But not today.
No, we got somewhere to go. We're gonna go to a truck show. We gotta get this done.
Oh yeah, I gotta go see all our buddies out there. Make some new friends and we're at Gypsy. Introduce Gypsy into everybody. But whenever I pull out a sensor, I like to tape them up because you never know what's gonna happen in between the whole process. So I like to protect everything as much as possible.
That's a good idea. Those probably aren't cheap.
Oh man, I don't want to find out.
Go find that 10 millimeter. Go, Gypsy. Find that 10 millimeter. Where is it at? All right, you got the sensors out. What are you doing now, man?
All right, I'm gonna take off this hose clamp, get it nice and loose, so we can take off this lid of this filter.
So, bro, you gotta take loose that one.
Yeah, we'll take that one off, and we're gonna take this one off. You don't have to, but I just want to get it out now and set it to the side before it gets in the way.
And then there's clips back here. You already got those off, I guess.
Yeah, get those clips off so that, check it out, we can just rotate. Oh, forgot the sensor. See, you always forget the sensor. And then we just finesse that out, and ta-da, there's half the system out.
Man, this ain't even one of them K&Ns. See how dirty it is. Not too bad. Looks like a typical diesel air filter.
Oh, okay, see? Oh, it's all about finesse.
Was it got a little tab on the bottom or what?
Yeah, it's got these locking grommets in there. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna reuse these. So we're gonna set this aside for now, and we're gonna take the rest of it out and kind of clean up in there. It looks a little dirty.
Oh, I see right here. Pops into these little pieces right there. She just pull the little finesse. Easy breezy.
And last hose clamp to take off for the system. It's right here.
All the way at the end. What's that hooked to?
That is hooked up to the intake for the turbo.
I gotcha.
And not to drop any spoilers, but we might do something with that next.
Uh-oh. So that's everything?
That is everything that's coming out.
So everything that's coming out. That was easy enough. That took probably a whopping 8 minutes. Found it? Is that it? 10 millimeter. Good girl. Way to find that 10 millimeter. Good girl.
Told you. All right, so now that I got my new air box all squared away, capped up, got all the little rubber pieces in. Say that 3 times.
Rubber pieces in. Pieces.
Damn, it sounds like you're beatboxing, bro.
Dang.
So we're gonna slowly slide in. What would you call those things again? Little pins inside the grommets. We're gonna make sure we try to hit our mark.
They're like nipples.
Yeah.
Little rubber nipples.
And everything seems like it's lined up pretty good. And grab our screw or a bolt we didn't lose. I don't know if y'all can see in there. It's getting a little tight. We have to. Let's see here. Sorry, I know my dirty hands are in the way, but so before you put your pipe in there, you definitely want to slide over the boot and each clamp and position them all so that it makes it a lot easier to install once you're in there in the engine bay. All right, you want to lift and tuck, and we're going to slide this thing in, give it a little wiggle, a little wiggle. Make sure it gets all the way back to that collar back here. Good sound effects. Now rotate to line it up properly. Maybe cheat it a little bit over, just a little bit. There we go. We're gonna slide that right over. So if I could pick it up today, that'd be great, because I definitely want to install today.
Okay, yeah, absolutely, bud. We're here till 6.
Awesome, man. I'll see y'all soon.
Very good. Thanks, bud.
All right, bye. So that was the shop, and man, I was hoping they were gonna call, because I definitely wanted to install the exhaust today, and that's gonna be that's a game changer, installing that exhaust.
And stay tuned, Mike. He's getting all the parts.
All right, now it's starting to come all together and look like an actual intake, right? Just gonna wiggle this filter in here. I'm pretty sure it's the right way up. Maybe I should have read the instructions first, but that's all right.
I think we threw those away.
What do y'all think? Wait a minute. It's upside down. Oh no, S and B. Oh no, that's right. Looks good, but I'll be back. We'll go pick up the exhaust, take it for a test drive, and try not to get pulled over between here and there. And I might even pick up Gypsy some lunch, because she hasn't eaten today. But we'll be back, and when I get back, we're gonna show y'all how to install the exhaust. Y'all stay tuned.
Stay safe, man.
Y'all take care.
All right, well, that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Mike's gonna head out. He's gonna pick that exhaust up, and we'll put that in another video, show you how to remove the old exhaust and put the new exhaust in. I don't even know what he ordered, so be excited to check it out. So I'm not gonna drag up. I don't think Mike's gonna drag up, but I'm gonna roll on up out of here. Till next time, thanks for watching. Peace. Leave it to a diesel. Get my clean shop all oily. Come on, Mike.